Welcome to Flash English, your English channel where you learn fast and easy. Stay until the end and test your memory. Share this video with a friend, like if you enjoy learning English, and subscribe for more. Let's start.
Welcome back to Flash English School. Today, we're going to learn three very important words in English. A, an, and the. But when do we use each one? Let's find out. First, what are articles? Articles are small words we use before nouns. In English, the three main articles are a, an, and the. Let's start with a. We use a before a singular noun when we are talking about one thing in a general way. For example, a book. One book. Here are some more examples. A dog. A car. A pencil. One dog. One car. One pencil. Simple, right? Now, what about an? We use an before a singular noun that begins with a vowel sound. For example, an apple. Not a apple, an apple.
Let's look at more examples. An egg. An orange. An elephant. Egg, orange, elephant. They all use an.
Now let's learn our third article. The. We use the when we are talking about a specific person, place, animal, or thing. For example, the book. But what's the difference? A book means one book, but we don't know which book. The book means a specific book. We know which book we're talking about. Let's see some more examples. The car. The dog. The teacher. In each example, we're talking about something specific. Now, let's put the three articles together. A, an, and the. A book. An apple. The book. Each one has a different use. Time for a quick challenge. A cat? Or an cat? A cat. An apple or a apple? An apple. You're getting it. Here's the simple rule. Use a before a consonant sound. A dog, a car. Use an before a vowel sound. An apple, an elephant. Remember the sound, not just the letter.
Let's practice a. A cat. A dog. A house. A book. Listen to the beginning sound. Cat. Dog. House. Book.
Now, let's practice an. An apple. An egg. An orange. An elephant. They begin with vowel sounds. Your turn. A banana or an banana? A banana. A orange or an orange? An orange. Great job. Remember the? We use the when we mean a specific thing. Look at these dogs. But we're talking about one specific dog. The dog is happy. What's the difference between a dog and the dog? A dog means any one dog. The dog means a specific dog. A dog, general. The dog, specific. Let's try a full sentence. I have what? A dog? An dog? The dog? I have a dog. Excellent. A dog means one dog, not a specific dog. Let's mix everything together. An apple or a apple? An apple. A dog or an dog? A dog. You're doing great. Here's an important example. I see a dog. Now we know which dog we're talking about. So we say, the dog is big. A dog became the dog. Watch out for these common mistakes. A apple? No. An apple. An dog? No. A dog. Easy to fix. Quick quiz. I have... what? An orange? An orange? Or the orange? An orange! Correct! Final challenge. Number 1, a cat. Number 2, an apple. Number 3, a house. Number 4, an elephant. And number 5, a dog. How many did you get right?
Let's review what we learned today. A, for one thing in a general way. A dog. An, before a vowel sound. An apple. And the, for something specific. The book. Great work today. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next Flash English school class. Thanks for watching. Like this video, hit the hype button, subscribe for more. See you in the next video.
One more try, make it stick.
Flash English, Flash English.
Talk to me, don't be shy.
Flash English, Flash English.
Fast enough to fly.
Good morning, what's up, how are you?
Use them out,
Make them true.
order food, ask for help.
Hear the word,
Trust yourself,
read the sign.
catch the joke.
Every line,
Is one more stroke,
write it down.
then let it go.
Say it back and watch it grow. Say it once,
Say it twice,
wrong at first.
that's alright.
Keep it moving, don't freeze up. Little by little you level up. Flash English, Flash English.
Say it now, say it quick.
Flash English, Flash English.
One more try, make it stick.
Flash English, Flash English.
Talk to me, don't be shy.
Flash English, Flash English.
Fast